What if yawning isn't just about being tired? What if there's a hidden reason behind it? Did you know yawning helps cool your brain? Yup, it's like giving your brain a natural chill. Wait, what? I thought it was just because I was tired. Yawning is contagious. Just seeing someone yawn makes you want to do it too. Oh no, now I'm yawning too. See, told you it's contagious. Yawning doesn't just mean you're tired. It could be because you're bored or stressed. Wait, so I could be yawning because I'm stressed or bored too? Yawning might even show empathy. We tend to yawn when we see others yawn, like we're connected. Wow, I'm literally yawning with them because we're in sync. Yawning can also be your body telling you that you need more oxygen. It's like a quick refresh. Want more amazing facts? Subscribe to FactiPop and pop the facts with us every week.